Hey guys, John with Buster's Garage Door here. I'm sure you remember this whole deal. And a lot of people are like, why does he have so many garage doors? We'll put the lock on today. So this is one of the barn doors. So you can see it's starting to rot at the top. And it's rotting in here. And down here is coming apart. I don't know if you were able to see that, hopefully, but this is the door on the other side where you can really see the rot. So eventually these hinges are gonna give out. And it's just, it's so soft. I'm afraid to touch it. This, super soft. And boom. Alright. Well, so if that provides any answers, that's why.